If there is a problem with your Paxton Net2 system, then resetting the ACU could help. To do a Paxton Net2 reset, you need to follow these 8 steps. First, stop the Net2 server. Do this via the Net2 PC software by doing a right-click to the green triangle located at the bottom of your screen and select Stop Net2 Server. Once you've done this, the green triangle will go grey. This will cause the OK LED to double pulse and the network LED to turn off. Now power down the ACU. Insert a link wire between the orange and mauve terminals on reader 2 port. Power up the ACU, resulting in a double beep. At this point, the OK LED should remain off. You should now remove the link, whilst at the same time leaving the unit powered on. At this point, you now need to restart the Net2 server by right-clicking the Start Server button. By starting up the server, the first thing the software does is automatically update the firmware, which will take about 2 minutes. During this time, the exit LED on the ACU will be on and the amber LED on the reader will be off. Once the firmware download is complete, the exit LED will be off and the amber LED on the reader will be on, along with the green and red LEDs. You now need to restart the Net2 software, and a green tick should now show, indicating that the ACU has been detected. Still need help? Contact smartsecurity.support for any help you need with your Paxton system by emailing help@smartsecurity.support.